First things to recognize about postage on Amazon is this. If a customer on Amazon spends over $50 on Amazon, they get free postage. Nothing you can do will alter that. That's what Amazon does, okay? They get free postage. If they are a member of Prime, they get free postage. So regardless of whether or not you're charging postage or not, it's of no consequence. They get free postage if they're in Prime. So that's those two things. And then to actually alter your non-Prime members and $50 spenders, what you do is you come up to settings just here and shipping settings, blop, just that one there, and then you set up your own internal shipping templates depending on what's going on. You set up your shipping templates here. Very small screen. You do it all here. So whatever it is, whatever you want it to be based on your own product and how much that costs to ship, blah de blah de blah, you set that up all in here and it's dictated by you, your particular product, whether or not you want to charge for shipping, yada yada yada. I don't know what your situation is, but that's where you do it all. That's where you do it all, Tracy. Now, I believe shipping is very, very important, and you can also run, just as a little insight, so if you come over to inventory and then down to promotions, this is in Australia, you can also run free shipping. Dun, 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 a free shipping promo as well, which you'll see impacts the buy box. So Amazon's telling you if you offer free shipping, you will get the buy box, which is a nice thing for them to say. So you can also run a promo here for free shipping, and shipping is the number one thing that will stop people abandoning your product in the cart, because that's the number one reason people do abandon your product in the cart, is because of high shipping charges. So if you've got a free shipping offer running, that's a super cool thing to do. So, recap. Amazon FBA. If you're using FBA, then over $50, they get free shipping. If they're Prime members, they also get free shipping. I've shown you where to set up your own templates in the shipping settings, just in settings there. And you can also, if you want to, and you should, offer free shipping through promotions as well. Super easy thing to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.